Morning, Steve here in Chicago with a big day for 2 million people coming downtown to some sunshine to celebrate the Cubs' victory. So we'll see how much trading happens after the 9 o'clock when the parade starts. Overnight, beans down about 4 cents, corn down a penny, wheat unchanged. Yesterday we had some good export sales both in beans and corn, low in the wheat. Wheat's giving back some of its gains because of that. We might be also seeing some liquidation in positions in front of the election as it gets tighter. A little bit of concern about volatility next week after the election. We're looking at a forecast down the road, a little bit better South American weather. And also we're all talking about higher U.S. soybean crop estimates. Yesterday there was another estimate by a private group raising the soybean crop a bushel per acre from the USDA's October estimate. We got some jobs data this morning. We'll also be looking at world stocks both in Asia and Europe, mostly lower. And crude is lower and below $45 a barrel. So that takes away a little bit of that inflation concern that had come into the market earlier. So basically, on the January beans, we got support at 974. You take that out, we go down to 960. Historically, the 940, 950 area has been a price in which farmer selling slows, demand, especially by China, picks up. And $10 is magic resistance that we really don't need to trade over unless there's a South American weather problem. Corn, December corn's in a 340, 360 trading range. Down if we break out of that. Farmers won't sell at the lower end of the range. And at the higher end of the range, they might give us the whole crop. Still think historically prices tend to move up after harvest. And we might put in some kind of weather premium for next year if farmers decide to plant less acres or we have some kind of La Nina dry weather pattern. Wheat support at $4 in Chicago December. Tough to get over the 420 area with the big world wheat supply. So again, wheat needs a weather problem here in the United States to push above that price level. And again, Southern Plains remains dry over the next 2 weeks. So everybody's wearing blue today. Everybody's going to be happy today. It's a weekend and good weather, and we'll see how everything unfolds next week when we get the USDA crop report and the U.S. election. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.